Guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you're new to this channel, please subscribe. So we are in a matatu, guys, and we are driving through the green city, that is Kericho. So this is Chepsion Kericho Ikonge Road. I don't know if I said that well, but that is how everything looks like. So guys, I would like to take you along with me so that you see how Kenya is blessed. So before I continue, please like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much, and enjoy the video, guys. So guys, Kericho County is one of the 47 counties that we have here in Kenya, and it borders Uasin Gishu County to the northwest, Baringo County to the north, Nandi County to the northwest, Nakuru County to the east, and Bomet County to the south, and also Kisumu County to the northwest, and Nyamira County to the west. So as Kericho County is a home to the best of Kenyan tea, which is renowned worldwide. Like you see, even here in my village, when people pick their tea from the farm, they go sell it to the buying center, and then the buying center also sells it to the factory to be processed. So we are blessed. We are so much blessed. So guys, like we have the best companies, the best tea companies here in Kericho. We have one which is very famous, Finlay's. So famous. So we are blessed. That is why, I guess that is why this place is called the Green City. I don't know, maybe someone, if you know the place, tell us in the comment section. So guys, please continue watching this video to the end, and I really appreciate it. Kericho town. Yeah, Kericho town. Yeah, I've not managed like to come and do like a street walk video from this place. Normally I do videos when I'm on matatu, yeah, traveling, but I'm hoping that someday I'll come back here and do some videos from this place. Yeah, so please continue watching this video, guys, to the end. Give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. So guys, thank you so much for the support. That has been Kericho. I've not managed to do a long video, but I'm hoping that someday I will come to do a video from this place. So we have this road, another road here which goes to Kisumu, which is under construction. So let me just end this video here. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, and bye bye.